Puppet.
Hello. You'll never guess where me going this week.
Where are you going? I can hardly wait.
My first Comic-Con ever.
Oh!
Very excited. They got all kinds of stuff. They got old comic books, movie posters, might even see a movie star, TV star. They got everything.
Oh, that's what I hear. And
Very excited.
what it looks like you're going in costume. So, are you going as Batman?
Funny. Me Spider-Man. Me have powers.
You-
Psst, psst. That my web sprayer. Yeah.
That's your web sprayer, Spider-Man.
Yep.
Okay.
So anyway, me want to tell you, me very excited about this whole cosplay thing. By the way, how do they wear these costumes? This thing kill me. Can you take off my mask?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll take off your little helmet. Ready?
Ugh. Now me look like a Melvin.
Oh, shake your head. Let's get.
Hold on. Okay.
All right.
Oh,
I think that's good.
that's all right. That's
All
as
right.
good as we can get.
Now tell us what you're excited about in your little Spider-Man outfit there. So cute.
Well, me all excited about cosplay. Me a little concerned though. Me have a lot of fans now, and me know that some of those people they can't even walk around the floor. They get stopped constantly. Everybody want to take a picture.
It's true.
Yeah.
I've seen it. It's
So
very
mixed bag,
true.
mixed bag, exciting. But me have a lot of fans from this show. Some maybe over 50. It's a lot. Me a little concerned.
I know, but I think that you're going to have a very good time. And it looks like I'm looking at your badge here. It says
Yeah.
Puppet Professional.
Yeah, professional puppet. That me. That's what me am every day. Professional puppet.
Now, I've been to Comic-Con.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Kitchen Lady's been to Comic-Con.
Whoa.
And you know what the one thing that I've learned down at Comic-Con?
What's that?
Is there is a line for everything. And I mean everything.
Yeah.
From food to the restrooms to the comic stations to whatever you want. There is a line for everything. But you can be prepared for that.
Okay.
And so what I've learned is, because you want to get to the floor first thing. You want to be there like, when everything opens, because that's where the best things
I
are.
want somebody taking my Venom comics. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So what you're going to want to do is think grab and go. You want to grab and go. Grab the coffee, grab a yogurt, grab whatever you can. Grab and go.
Yeah.
That way you're there before the crush of people. So that takes us into today's recipe.
Okay.
Actually, it's like it's a grab and go itself.
Yeah.
Because you can grab it, you can make it, grab it, put it in your bag, hit the floor, whatever you want to do.
Let's hit it. What do you got?
Let's hit it. So we're going to call it our Comic-Con breakfast parfait.
Okay, keep going.
It's really simple. It's yogurt based, and then you can put fruits, granola, honey, anything you want, because this is what you're going to find down there at Comic-Con in the little food booths, usually in your hotel.
Okay.
I'm assuming you're staying in a hotel and not your rock. So.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so what you start with is yogurt. Now, here we've got yogurt, but what I like to do is maybe start the bottom of our parfait with a little bit of fruit, because that's always good. So we've got strawberries today, blackberries. Look at the size of those blackberries.
Whoa,
Doesn't that look delicious? Bottom of the thing. Some blueberries, and I put a little green thing in here because I thought you're a little monster sometimes.
Kiwi.
So
Kiwi.
Yep, kiwi. Then put a little granola in the bottom.
Granola.
A little granola.
Yeah.
Granola in the bottom.
Yeah.
And maybe, we'll hold off on the honey. But this is the trick for this, because I don't like all of the yogurt to get all around there, because I want it to look attractive when you're serving it.
Yeah.
So what I've done is put a Ziploc bag in this tall glass, filled it full of yogurt, squish it down, and then these Ziploc bags have little tips on them. So you cut a little tip off, cut a little tip off.
You're demonstrating your superpower here.
I am demonstrating my superpower here. Have you got a superpower?
Yogurt, come out.
Look you can squeeze it into the jar and it doesn't mess anything up. Isn't that cute? It did mess something up. Went outside, but that's okay. So then you just refill it. Let's put a little honey in here. You just do layers.
Dr. Octopus has been messing with your stuff.
Yes, it's all about layering.
Yeah.
So
Ooh,
you just put a little more honey in there.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look delicious? Now remember, it's grab and go, and this is what you're going to need down there
You're
to
going
hit
to need a
that
lot of
floor.
energy. A lot of sugar.
Right.
A lot of sugar.
A lot of sugar. So let's put some more fruit down there.
Yep.
Look how delicious.
Yeah.
Puppet, I think, and it's going to give you energy. You're not going to be all gooped up with pancakes or heavy things.
Yeah.
And it's got protein and fruit, and I think it's easy to do. And you know what? You can do it whenever you want to. So, you know what I like?
What?
Walnuts. Little walnuts.
Oh,
so,
not sure about that. Okay.
another layer of honey.
Too healthy.
No. Well, I know. A little sprinkle of honey there.
Yeah.
And then one more layer of yogurt. Let's try to
keep
see
going.
if it's not going to ooze all out, but we're going to top it.
Look, it's coming out behind. Whoa, look at that.
Look at that.
Yikes.
That's a little funny. Look at
Kind of a
that.
mess.
So you put it in there
Yeah.
and push it down.
Push
And
it.
then,
Push it.
you know what?
Keep it real good.
Yep. You do make me laugh. Now
Keep
put as
going.
much or as little in there as you want,
Yeah.
and we'll just do that for demonstration purposes.
Yeah.
Now to top it off,
Kind of a disaster.
kind of a disaster, but it's going to be
alright.
delicious
It's alright.
because it's going to save you a
What's
lot
this?
of time.
What's this?
Sprinkle it with cinnamon,
Oh, yeah.
and you know we like King Arthur.
Fancy.
So and
Oh,
then
yeah. King Arthur Vietnamese cinnamon.
yes,
Yeah.
so then a little sprinkle of
Sponsor.
nutmeg,
Yeah.
a little sprinkle of nutmeg,
Yeah.
and then to top it all off, just a little sprinkle of
Lemon.
lemon. And let's get our fruits out of there so
Yeah.
we can see. And then just top it off with I like to just put a little bit more granola in there.
Yep.
Again, homemade, handmade, whatever you want to do, and some nuts.
Yep.
Top it with a little bit more honey. It really is like a little messy, but it's a good messy.
Okay.
And then, you know what?
What?
You can just take it, because grab and go. Look it, I got a little lid.
Top on top.
Yep, let's get this out of
Top
here.
on top.
Little,
What that mean?
little top on top. So,
You're so excited about
look at
Comic-Con,
that.
I mean, not even thinking
I
straight.
know it. You
Yeah,
can
look
put,
at that.
these are little wet jars, and you can put the little things on there.
Okay.
Top it. You can make these the night before too,
Yeah.
and put them in there. Look at that.
Very nice.
Doesn't that look cute?
Pretty.
Now,
Yeah.
you know, you might want to put a little more yogurt in. It's really up to you.
It seemed a little light on the yogurt.
I know, but I kind of like the fruit. So
Okay.
grab and go, and that's what you're going to want to remember
Okay.
for Comic-Con.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right.
So that's it.
Yeah.
I can't wait to hear about your adventures at
It's
Comic-Con.
gonna be very exciting. You're gonna be mobbed by people. So many people want to take their picture with Puppet.
Can we
Puppet can't
see
get
the-
3 feet in.
Can we see your little look
sure.
at you got a little Spider-Man on your suit
Oh yeah.
and your little booties, so
Yep.
you're ready to
Yep.
go.
Yep.
All right, let's say goodbye. Let's pack your bags for the con.
Yeah.
I think that's what the professionals call it, the con.
Con.
And we will thank everybody and see them next week.
Con.
I believe that's Wrath of Kahn,
Yeah.
but Kahn, yes.
Nerd.
I know. I told you.
Con. Yeah.
Star Trek 2, The Wrath of Kahn.
Whoa.
Thank you, Puppet, and thank you for sharing your costume. We will
Powers. You got powers.
get powers.
Okay.
We'll see you next week.
All right.
Thank you.
Goodbye.